Steve here at the SJCOE Fab Lab. Happy CS Education Week. We're looking at languages you might not have used before in order to teach students about computer science. Today, we're going to look at R. R is a language often used in data science. It's really powerful for dealing with data. I personally think that it's a great alternative to a spreadsheet. Not that spreadsheets aren't awesome, they are, but there's a greater transparency to seeing the data processed in a language instead of just cells. Again, spreadsheets are great. I love spreadsheets. So let's look at how we can use R to teach computer science. We're going to be sticking with data. We're looking at standard 912 DA9. We want to look at the way that we store and how we organize data. That's really important. It can be more efficient, more practical, easier to get to later, depending on how we store it and how we organize it. Let's look at some example R code. Here, we have a little bit of code. It's looking at some projected temperatures from what's last week for you now. Anyway, we have these temperatures for Thursday, 64, Friday, 66, Saturday, 63, and Sunday, 62. And we have a function which will convert the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Notice, temperature minus 32 times 5/9. We've already used it to convert Thursday's temperature, about 18 degrees Celsius. I have these values, these temperatures, and they're tied to days. Maybe it's more logical to store them in order of occurrence, from Thursday to Sunday. But maybe it's more logical to organize them by temperature, so that Sunday would be first. Also, do I want to store them as individual variables? Or maybe what I should do is store them in an array. So I could say temperatures is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then just print temperatures. Let's try. Is it better for me to store them individually? Is it better for me to store them in an array? How should I organize the items in my array? These are important decisions for programmers. They're an important part of computer science. Why don't you go ahead and try out R? You might end up liking it more than a spreadsheet. Have fun.